In this lesson, I will explain to you how you can make YouTube thumbnails with Canva. So these are the templates. You can select any template, but we are going to learn from scratch. So I will show you how you can make your own thumbnail. After this, we will also learn how to make the flyers, animated social media. You can scroll up and down and see we have different options here, but the same options you can get by clicking on create a design button. See here we have a logo, poster, presentation, whatever you want. We are going to learn YouTube thumbnail. So you have to click here. See here, you can see the pixels as well. Means this logo will be, sorry, this thumbnail will be 1280 by 720 pixels. We can increase or decrease the this pixels as well. As soon as I will click on this YouTube thumbnail, in few seconds you will see a different screen will pop up where we can make our thumbnail from the scratch, right? So this is the blank thumbnail. These are the different templates which we will learn later on. So first of all, we have to give some design or background to it. So this is for the background. Just click here. You will see different options of the background. These are the plain colors. If you want the purple color, or see here is the yellow color, orange color, if you do not like, you can click here as well. Here we have different templates as well. Some are paid, some are free. Suppose if you like to make the thumbnail by using this design or this background, that is fine. If you do not like, again, it is very easy to change it like this, right? Whatever, according to your situation or your choice. This is also good, right? This is also good. But okay, if I say I can pick this one, pink, sorry, we can pick this one. This is also free, so that is fine too. So we will make our thumbnail here. If you want to add some logo or some pictures, which we will learn later on, I will also show you. We have to upload few pictures here, then we can easily drag here. But here we are making very simple, so you have to click on text. As soon as you will click on the text, you will see thank you, right, love and joy, whatever you want. These are the templates, but we want to add our own heading. So that is why you have to click here, add a heading button, right? As soon as we will click it, you will see this box will pop up here. I am going to write down how to make YouTube thumbnail with Canva, right? Simple. So see, now now you can see the square at the top of this rectangle. It means that this heading is selected, right? And you can observe we have different options here as well. Sometimes you cannot see these options here, so do not worry and do not say that we do not have that options. It means that your heading is not selected, right? Here we have edit, crop and flip, and this option is to change the background color as well. Open this. If suppose you want to make it like this, purple or light purple or yellow and whatever, if you do not like, this is the undo button. I think you know what is the meaning of undo and redo, and after that you decided no, I want that color, so this is for the redo, right? But we are working here. Then edit, crop, we all these function we will learn in our course, but you have to select, you have to click on your text in order to get these features. So all these features we will learn one by one. First of all, we will learn this is our font, right? Suppose if you want to like this font, right, Bukhari script, you can click it and you can see this is in our handwriting. If you do not like this, you want the check, you can click on check and you will see our font will change. Horizon is like that, right? If you will scroll down, we have different options. So whatever you like, you can just click on it and make your thumbnail. If you do not like all these, we want our original one, so this is the undo, just one time, second and third, this is our original one. Then this plus sign means that we can increase or decrease the font size, right? This one, and this one, sorry, this one is increase the font size, minus is decrease the font size. If you forget, just bring your insertion point here and you can see increase font size, and this one is decrease font size. Suppose this font size is okay, right? Italic means I'm not going to make it italic or underline. This one is for the uppercase. All letters are in uppercase. If you want your original case, so just click one more time. This is our heading, how to make YouTube thumbnail with Canva. Then this one is the alignment. So far we have center alignment. This is the option of center alignment, as you know very well in Microsoft Office, right? So this one is our left align. One more time click it. This is right different alignment, right alignment, and this is the center alignment. So center alignment is fine. This is for the bullet list. We are not going to use. If you have some 1, 2, 3 point, then definitely you can use this. Now this is the spacing. I will show you. Now by default it is 0. If I will increase, so you will observe this is the spacing, right? So I think the 0 is fine. This is the line height. Again, I can move it and you will show it. This is the line height. So I think this is perfect. Then is the effects, right? What it does for us. Just click here and these are the shadow effect. If you want, you can write down like this. This one, right? This is the curve, which we will discuss later on. This is the neon and this is the glitch, different style, right? Now this is the offset. When I will increase or decrease, so you can observe the effect here, right? So see here I am increasing and here I am decreasing, right? So you can see the blue lines, the width of this blue line increase offset, and this is the direction. When I will move, see direction is moving. The pink line, this pink and this green line, when I will move it, direction is moving. If you want, you can click here. This is now your job, right? This is now red and make it whatever you want. You can change the color as well. Now come to this side. This is the position. Click here. It will show you where you want to write down your heading, at the top, at middle, at bottom, right? So I think middle is fine for us. And then this one is for the transparency. I will show you. This is the 0. See, transparency. So I think 100 by default, that is fine. And after this, if you want, you can share with your friends or on Facebook or Instagram, which I will also show you. But now everything is done. I will discuss few these features. This is the meaning of add page. If you want to add one more page, just click here. See, this is the second page. You can make your thumbnail here. Again, if you do not want, this is the delete symbol, just delete it, right? Add pages also here, so just click it. Same thing, if you do not like, just delete it. This one is the duplicate. If you want the same thumbnail one more time, so this is the duplicate. Here we have the second one. I am going to delete this as well. And this is the add notes. So add notes we are not going to do at this time. So I think we have covered many things here and I hope that you have learned a lot. So now I'm going to download it. So click on the download button here. PNG is the recommended, that is fine. And its pixel is 1280 by 720, that is also great. I am downloading here. In few seconds it will download. And then our thumbnail is ready. We can use it as the thumbnail of our video, right? So see, our thumbnail is ready. Very simple thumbnail is there. So in the next lesson, I will show you how we can add some logo or pictures in our thumbnail. So meanwhile, please practice it, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.